Who is more WIMLT? Yeah!
Welcome back to my channel. Please meet the oldest friend I've had in my life. We've known each other since we were
5 years old.
Since we were 5 years old. That is more than 25 years now. She was my first best friend. She was the first person whose house I went to for a sleepover. She's the first person to ever be possessive about me also. Still. So please meet Tanya Naidu Singh.
Spirit finger.
Alright, so we asked a question on my Instagram, who is most likely to? You guys have asked the questions. We've made chits. We're going to answer these questions and we have these sheets. So once you pick up a chit and you ask the question, you have to start the question with who is most likely to? Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Are you ready? We are ready. Let's go. Pick up. You pick up the first chit.
Who is most likely to procrastinate?
I'm trying to show like, oh, I don't procrastinate at all, but it's true. Even I procrastinate. Both of us. I think I mostly procrastinate when it comes to workout. Who is most likely to play video games? Tanya. She is obsessed with playing Call of Duty.
So therapeutic to shoot. I mean, not shoot in that way, but shoot in the game, you know? I don't know, I'm just enjoying the whole shooting thing. It's very therapeutic. You get all your negative energy out into this game and then you're happy after that. Yeah, and it kind of makes you look like a badass, don't you think?
Yeah, I think you're a badass.
Yeah.
For like doing this.
So much fun. Who is most likely to be best at math?
No, I'm the worst.
I think I had to like go down to basic level of math, literally.
I'm the worst at math.
Wait, who are you going to show?
Nobody.
Oh.
Like, I know you suck, but
So
when I suck.
I had little faith in you.
Where's my finger?
Show my finger.
Who is most likely to be more emotional? Both of us. I think we're both very emotional.
If I see her crying, I'll cry. She sees me crying, she'll cry.
Yeah.
We cry generally. Who is most likely to be more possessive about the other?
Where's your crown?
This is for both of us.
Where's your crown?
Till today. She is mine.
Yeah, she's very possessive.
She's mine.
Even I am.
By the way, I'm eating a mint. In case you see that in the video.
She has been possessive of me since we were 5 years old. I remember any new friend that I made, she made sure that she comes and clarifies with me that you can have any other friend. You can even probably go to another class, like another division, but I will be your best friend for life.
Girls watching? Don't try to make your best friends my best friend.
Miss Tanya Naidu, do you have any like fun stories that you want to share with people?
So I mean, this is the story, you know. Nicole used to come home for sleepovers to my house, and my mom obviously used to give her more attention. I don't know why, because I mean, hello, mama.
You used to give me more attention.
Yeah, even I. But then she used to sleep on my pillow, and I was very upset because it's my pillow.
Yeah.
So I once took that pillow under Nicole's head, and I said, "It's my pillow." My parents took her to their room. Imagine.
Yeah.
Just because I took the pillow. It's my pillow, girl.
Yeah, possessive. But no, but now she shares everything.
Yeah.
Now you should see. Now I'm at her house here in Hyderabad, which is a beautiful house. FYI. Okay, who is most likely to have been the heartbreaker? Forgive us. We are sorry.
All 22,000. So sorry.
We're sorry. I can't say boyfriends. Then how many times did you fall in love?
I love my husband.
Okay, we're not answering this question. Cut.
Who is most likely to forget to shower?
Who would not want to shower? I never knew this about you. I thought
Yeah,
you liked-
sometimes it's very cold. And YOLO, man, YOLO.
It's cold means actually yeah.
You want to get out of your warm clothes, no?
Who is second last one, guys? Second last one. Who is most likely to pass out at the party? At a party. Tanya.
Why is everything me?
It's you, because it's all you. Like, you are most likely to pass out at a party right now. I think I'm a rager.
Yeah. I get very sleepy. I can't help it.
Yeah, I'm awake. Tanya, you want to have one more drink? Yeah. You want to go to sleep? No. I'm awake. You see, today also the same thing will happen.
Yeah. Who is most likely to stalk strangers on social media?
And then share like an elaborate thesis about their life.
Oh god.
Ooh.
I think in my previous life I was like some investigator, spy or something.
Yeah.
I know everything about everyone that they don't know about. I know you and you and you.
I have to call Tanya and tell her, girl, I need to know about this. Like, is this and this true? She'll be like, wait, give me a few days. And then in a few days, she'll call and she'll give me like a full...
I'll send a screenshot, video, everything.
Full proof and everything.
But I think everyone knows that I am a good...
You're a good investigator.
Very.
I wouldn't call it stalking, I would call it investigating.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I think we should do one more like guessing thing. Don't you think?
Yeah.
We still have more questions from
Is it
here.
recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Hi.
Okay, so we're going to do more questions and we're answering them from my Instagram. Who is most likely to go on a solo trip?
You.
Me, no?
Yeah.
You've ever been?
No.
Will you ever go?
No.
I think I'm most likely to go. Who is most likely to get angry and irritated first on what? This is Sanket's question. Sanket,
Hi, Sanket.
if you're watching it, this is your question.
You.
Me.
Yeah, very.
I think
easily.
I think I'm impatient that way. Between the two of us, I'm more impatient and angry. And why? Because just I'm impatient. Okay. Who is most likely to go back to a toxic ex? Nobody. Cut that thing out of your life. Who is most likely to ditch the other at the last minute?
I'm very, very distinct. Be there, this planned, everything's planned. And
I think the only time I ditched
you're
Tanya,
busy though, no?
Busy, and I think the only time I ditched you is when I was like not called you back.
Yeah, that's okay. I mean, that's intense for me,
That's-
but okay.
That's intense
Yeah,
for me. Okay, who is most likely to dance in their own barat? You've danced in your own barat.
No, but I was dancing in the bathroom while the barat was going on. So yeah, but I'll dance anywhere. She doesn't dance anywhere actually.
I'll dance anywhere.
Yeah,
I'll
both
dance
of us.
anywhere.
She dances better. Mine is not really dancing.
मम्मी मेरी शादी कर दो मई जून जुलाई में मम्मी मेरा दिल नहीं लगता कॉलेज की पढ़ाई में
Who is most likely to sing the wrong lyrics confidently?
Me. No? I mean, you know
Yeah, I
all the
think-
lyrics.
I don't know the
I
lyrics.
don't know any lyrics.
I don't know the lyrics and I won't sing.
I'll speak
confidently.
gibberish also. I don't.
I think the only time I sing like the wrong lyrics is when I'm teaching class and I don't know the lyrics, so I make up some shit. Who is most likely to gain more male attention? You, girl, you remember school?
Girl, you remember right now?
This is nothing.
This is attention.
It's all girls. It's all females. See, it's female, all females.
These are all fake profiles. These are males.
Shut up. Last one. This is the last question that we're answering. Make it a good one.
Who is most scared of ghosts?
Me.
Yeah.
Me. I can't watch thriller, horror
I
movies
love
at all.
horror.
I cannot watch it. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you very soon.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe to Tanya's channel. Also, I am putting the link somewhere here or somewhere here. I don't know where it's going to show up. But yeah, at the end of the video, you'll see the subscribe.
Wait, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Here. Subscribe. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.